Yeah!
Hey, Lingo Kids! What comes out at night to play and loves to make people scream? That's right, a bat. But not all bats are scary, and today we're going to draw our very own friendly bat. Get your pencil and paper ready. We're going to start by drawing the head. To draw your bat's head, make a circle, but make it a little flat, not perfectly round, like this. Good. At the top, add 2 pointy triangles for the ears. Did you know that bats use their ears to see in the dark? That's right, so make sure to draw the ears nice and big so that our bat can fly at night. Now for the eyes. Let's make them big and scary. No, not scary. This is a friendly bat. Draw 2 big circles and then another 2 circles inside each one for the pupils. Good. Even though our bat uses his ears to fly at night, he still needs a nice pair of eyes, right? Now for the nose. Draw a flattish circle under the eyes and then 2 little circles inside that. Now our bat can breathe. We're missing something important. What does our bat need to eat? Yep, you got it. Our bat needs a pair of sharp little fangs. So underneath the nose, just add 2 small pointy triangles. Good work, Lingo Kids. You've just finished your bat's face. Let's give him a nice pair of wings. When our bat comes out of his cave, we don't want him to fall to the ground, do we? We want him to fly through the night sky to meet other bat friends. Starting on the right side of the head, just below the ear, draw a big mountain shape, going up higher than the ear, and then down again. Now draw 3 bumps until you connect back with the body. Good work. Do the same on the other side. And did you know that a bat's wings are actually just arms and hands with skin between the fingers that lets them fly? Bats are amazing. Now for the coloring. For your crayons, you will need just 2 colors, black and pink. Use the black crayon to color the body, the wings, the eye's pupils, and the 2 holes on the nose for the nostrils. Great! Use the pink crayon to color the nose. And for the eyes and teeth, you can leave them both white. That's it! Meet your new friendly Halloween bat. Thanks for watching and drawing along with us. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingo families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time. Subscribe to our YouTube channel now so that you don't miss a beat. And for more play learning fun, head over to the Lingo Kids app.